Yo, what's up, y'all? Confidence Key. Welcome back to my channel, Serving Looks. So I'm coming back to you with another makeup tutorial. So what the fuck is this? I'm using this palette and this beauty blender from beatmyface.com. I'm putting this peach look over my eyelids, and then I'm spraying this liquid on this brush, getting into the creases. Guys, this gold definitely gives you that Cleopatra look. That gold, makes you look royal. If you're feeling like you want to slay that day, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna now brush this over the eye line of my eyebrows. Really give that distinguished Amazon look, you know what I'm saying? We vibing out here. Then I'm gonna darken in my eyelashes because we want them to pop. Eyelashes are confident, they're key. These eyelashes are from they're from that one place. I hope you guys are having a great day, by the way. If there are tutorials that you want me to cover, make sure you comment down below. I'm just finishing up the eyebrow thing and then we're gonna move on. Bear with me, guys. Hope you're having a great day. So yeah, I'm gonna stick these on. They're gonna look great, amazing, confident, you know what I'm saying? So now we have this tan shit. I'm gonna put it on my neck, on my cheekbones, on my face. And make sure you use that beauty blender from beatmyface.com and make sure you get in all the edges and shit. Really trying to get all the spots, trying to make sure I don't miss anything, really trying to blend it all in, make it look like one color. Then I'm gonna use this powder to just give it that powdery glow, that airy flow. And guys, make sure you guys are getting all the spots, all the angles, because we gotta make sure everywhere is popping, not just one area of the face. You gotta make sure like someone sees you from afar, like pow, like you gotta pop. You gotta pop. Hey, we vibing. We serving looks out here. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna, blend everything in, make it look all smooth. Like I said, make it look like one. And then I have this palette. Oh my god, it smells so great. Okay, so guys, now we are working on the cheek. Now the cheek, you have to make sure you get right. It has to be chiseled. It has to be popping, especially like the jawline too. Gotta make sure people see you from afar. It's like, whoa, who is that? Like her highlight is on fleek. And I am serving up the perfect tutorial for you guys today. Follow this and your cheeks will also be vibrant and popping. Again, I'm taking this brush and going over my eyelids again. I thought I did that earlier, but I guess I'm doing it again. I got this 3 palette and I guess I'm blending in the cheekbones, the highlight. But yeah, then I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna spray this stuff in my face, to make it look popping. That's what the spray does. And then again, I'm just chiseling the cheekbone. We got this popping highlight. All right, so yeah, serving looks, filling in my eyebrows. Gotta make sure they are sharp, guys, because ladies, y'all know there's nothing worse than some musty, crusty, dusty, ratchet eyebrows. Like that is just not cute. So we're gonna make sure we get these right, 10 out of 10. And then we're gonna put this this pink lip gloss on. Get all the edges, make sure we got those luscious lips. But yeah, my angels, that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Mwah. Bye.